If you want to turn on or off the flashlight on iPhone 16e, what you can do is, for example, you can go to the control center. So swipe on the right side of the phone from the top towards the middle like this. And this is the control center, and you should be able to find this flashlight or torch icon here. You can tap on this button in order to activate or deactivate the flashlight. You can also press and hold your finger in order to adjust the brightness of the flashlight as well. But this is not the only way to use the flashlight. Besides that, you can go to settings and let's go to action button in order to set up flashlight here. So by default, it is set to silent mode, but you can also switch to flashlight. So now if you use the action button, which is located over here, this is the action button, you can press it or actually hold it for like a second in order to toggle the flashlight. And last but not least, you might also have the flashlight in the lock screen. So if you open the lock screen, by default, it is located over here in the bottom left corner, and you can hold it for like a second in order to turn on and turn off the flashlight as well. This also works. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.